Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am explaining K nearest neighbor KNN, one of the most intuitive machine learning algorithm you ever learn. Imagine you just moved to a new neighborhood and want to know if it's safe. What would you do? You would probably look at the nearby houses. If most of them look well maintained and secure, you didn't assume your area is safe too. That's exactly the logic behind KNN. Let's see what is KNN. KNN neighbors KNN means K nearest neighbor is a supervised machine learning algorithm used for both classification and regression tasks. It's called a lazy learner because it doesn't actually learn patterns during training. Instead, it stores all training data and only does calculation when you ask it to make a prediction. The algorithm work on a simple principle. Similar things exist close together. When you have a new data point, can find the k closest point from your training data and make a prediction based on what those numbers look like. Let understand KNN. K is simple. Let understand K in KNN. K is simply a number that tells the algorithm how many neighbors to consider when making a decision. Let's say you are trying to classify fruits based on their size and color. If k equal to 3, algorithm looks at the three closest fruits. If if two of those fruits are apples and one is an orange, it predicts the new fruit is an apple. The k value is something you choose based on your data and problem. How can it work? Let's see step by step. First step, choose the value of k. This is the number of neighbors you want to consider. Common choices are 3, 5, or 7. Next step, calculate distances. The algorithm measures how far the new points is from every point in your training data. The most common way to measure this elu- um, Euclidean distance, this essentially the straight line distance between 2 points. Next step, find the nearest neighbor. After calculating all distances, select the k points with the smallest distance. These are your nearest neighbors. Next step, make a prediction. For classification, use majority voting. If you have k equals to 5 neighbors and 3 belongs to class A while 2 belongs to class B, predict class A. For regression, take the average of k neighbor value. Let's see some real life example. Consider a data set where you are predicting whether someone will buy a product based on their age and income. Let's see first person, age 25, income is 50, bought the product. Second one is age 25, 27, income is 52, bought the product. Next one is the age 50, 45, income is 80, 80k, it didn't buy. Next one is age 50, income is 90k, it didn't buy. Next is age 30, income is 60k, it bought. So new person age 28, income 55, with k equals to 3, with k equals to 3, you calculate distance and find the three closest people are person 1, person 2, and person 5. Since all three bought the product, can predict this new person will also buy. So let's see some advantages of KNN. Simple to understand and implement. No training phase. Work for both classification and regression. Naturally handles multi-class problems and etc. That is all for KNN. Bye.